Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is article number 1.4 standard form or scientific notation. So scientific notation is a method in which we can show very large numbers or very small numbers in terms of power of 10. In physics we deal with measurement, so due to these measurements there are some values which are very smaller. For example, the diameter of atom, the mass of atom, the mass of electron. Similarly, the distance between the earth and moon, the radius of the earth, and so many other larger values. While the diameter of atom, the mass of atom, the mass of electron, they are very smaller values. So that is why in order to represent them, to write them in terms of so many zeros, it is very difficult to memorize them. So it is a way which simplifies the method of writing these smaller, very smaller values or very big values, and that is known as scientific form or standard notation. The general form of scientific form or standard form is, which is in terms of power of 10, it can be written as we can write it as n, which is the scientific notation or the standard form of a measured value of a value, and that is equal to m n to 10 power plus minus small n. In this case, m is the first non-zero digit, while small n is the power of 10, which will be increased. Now, for example, we represent a number which is 0.00000056. So there are 7 zeros, and the first non-zero digit is 5. Now, in order to represent this in terms of scientific form or standard form, we shift this decimal point up to the first non-zero digit and place it just after the first non-zero digit. The power of 10, which is small n, will be increased negatively when the decimal point is shifted toward the right, while it will be increased positively when it is shifted toward the left. So in this case, if we give this number as the n, which is the scientific notation for this number, and then we give how many shifts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we place the decimal point just after the first non-zero digit, and the number of shifting will be represented as power of 10. So we give it 8 shifts, and the shifts are toward the right, so 10 power minus 8. So this is the standard form or scientific form. So we can write it as scientific form or standard form. For example, another one number we take 650000000. Now we can see that it is very difficult to memorize this larger number, so it will be represented in terms of scientific notation. Now in this case, the decimal is in the last, here we place a 0 also. So now we give the shift to the decimal point to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We place the decimal point just after the first non-zero digit, and in this case this is the first non-zero digit, the 6, so 8, 9. So we give 9 shifts and we place it 6.5 into 10 power. Now the power will be increased positively, so plus 9. We does not write the plus, so it doesn't matter. So this is the scientific form or standard form. So scientific form or standard form. Now cadets, the next topic is the prefixes. This is also somewhat similar to that one. Prefixes shows us specific power of tens. Specific power of 10. So there are some specific powers of 10 for which we give a special name, and that is called as, that is termed as prefix, which are power of 10. Now in the table in the book textbook we can see that only 10 which have power of plus 1, it is called as DC. Sorry, Deca. It is Deca. While DC is 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1 is DC. And 10 power minus 2 is centimeter, just like centimeter. Centi is for 10 power minus 2, and so on. In this case we can see that 10 power minus 1 is DC, its abbreviation is small d. Similarly for centi it is 10 power minus 2 and represented by small c. Milli 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 6 micro, which is mu symbol है इसका. Nano 10 power minus 9 small n symbol. For example, I write a length of 5 nanometer, so I can write it as 5 nanometer. It can also be written in scientific form as 5 into 10 power minus 9 meters. So for this specific power of 10 we write this prefix. Now if we move toward the positive side, so 10 power plus 1 is Deca, which is DA, represented by DA. Its abbreviation is DA. And similarly 10 power plus 2 is Hecto. Kilo 10 power 3, kilometer 1000 meter. Mega 10 power plus 6, capital M. Giga 10 power 9, capital G, and so on. So these are the specific powers of 10, which are termed as prefixes, and is a way to simplify or expression of writing larger values. After this, the next topic is significant digits. Are figures or digits. As physics is related to measurements, so in every measured value there will be some number of significant digits. When we call, there are 5 number of significant digits figures, there are 2 number of significant digits, by which rule we can express them and we can show the number of significant digits. First of all, we define significant digits. So it can be defined as in any measured value or calculated value the number of write it as shortly significant digits in any measured value, the number of significant digits will be the accurately known digits and first doubtful digit. Only first doubtful digit, and all number of accurately known digits. Now we explain the rules for significant digit and also show the doubtful digit by an example. So in this case, for example, we have a meter rod, a meter rule and generally